If your vehicle has hail damage or a dent, you might think a body shop can give you an accurate estimate. But if you want to make sure you're getting the right repair, one that keeps your vehicle's original paint, avoids unnecessary bodywork, and restores your vehicle properly, you should start with a shop that specializes in paintless dent repair. The truth is, many body shops, even insurance companies, don't really understand what a high-level paintless dent repair technician can do today. I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair, and I want to show you why starting at the right place can make all the difference. Reason 1, body shops often default to conventional repairs. Most body shops are trained to repair damage using traditional methods: sanding, body fillers, and repainting. So even when a dent can be easily removed with paintless techniques, they often go straight to grinding down the panel and repainting. That might get your car looking good again, but it comes at a cost. Your factory finish is gone, and that can affect your vehicle's value long term. Reason 2, we see more damage than most shops can. Shops that don't specialize in paintless dent repair often miss damage hiding even in plain sight, especially after a hailstorm. We use specialized lighting and tools that shows every dent, not just the ones you can catch quick out in the sun or in a quick walk around. It's kind of like using a magnifying glass to read fine print. The damage is there, but without the right tools, most people won't see it. Reason 3, smart repairers without unnecessary paint or replacement. When you start with a shop that understands paintless dent repair, you're more than likely to avoid unnecessary panel replacement and repainting. Our goal is to repair the damage while keeping your vehicle as original as possible. And in many cases, that means we can restore it without ever touching the paint. It's not always about doing the cheapest repair, it's about doing the right repair. And often, paintless dent removal gives you the cleanest, most precise results. Reason 4, we work with your insurance or without it. A lot of people think they have to go where their insurance company tells them, but that's not true. It's your vehicle and you have the right to choose your repair shop. We work with all major insurance companies every day. If you've already got an estimate from them, we'll handle any supplements, and if you're just getting started, we can guide you through the entire claims process step by step. And even if you're not filing a claim, no problem. We're just as thorough, and we can walk you through your options and handle the repair start to finish, with or without insurance. Whether you're dealing with hail damage, a rogue shopping cart, or something more serious, where you start your repair matters. A proper estimate from a shop that specializes in paintless dent repair can save you time, preserve your vehicle's value, and make the entire process smoother, with or without insurance. If you're ready to get started, call or text the number below or visit our website at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. We'll take great care of you and your vehicle.